Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's Jenny, and we got a clarification video along with a daily deal, and you know you want to know because we like saving money every single day. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, I just said it. We save money every single day. I give you a deal every day. So you don't miss it. Go ahead and subscribe. And we do all kinds of things here. You'll love it. Make sure your notifications are all on. And everybody, it's time again to check those YouTube notifications and make sure they still say on. Please and thank you. Love you bunches for doing it. Leave that comment. It can be any comment. Like some of the ones that we're going to talk about today, because we had questions. There was a lot of questions, so we're going to be answering some questions today that came in the comments. And they may be questions that you have as well. So if you have questions, put it in the comments. One of us will answer it, and maybe I'll address it on the video if it warrants it. If you didn't get a good enough answer. And of course, let the video play all the way to the end, please. It's so important. That includes those ads. Just cut the sound down if you must and let it play. And YouTube is asking us for 1,000 views a video now. That's right. So, thank you guys. We are so getting closer every day. So keep sharing it. Keep asking your friends to share it. It's free and they're helping so many people. And so are you. And we're claiming it. Stand in agreement with me. We're getting our 1,000 views. We're going to go back. We're going to get back to where we were. I was looking at some older videos. There was 4,000 views on those videos. So we're getting back. We're coming back. We're claiming it. So stand in agreement with me. Okay. Got the YouTube stuff out of the way. Now, let's talk about the questions that I was asked. I know for some, the deal on yesterday's field trip was a little confusing. It was confusing for me because, let me explain to you what happened. Because I don't think some of you picked up on it. When I showed you in the video the picture of the app that said $7, that was showing you that in the app, it was showing all of the store coupons attaching and not having to be over. Okay? That's what it was showing in the app, that all of them were attaching. The 5 off 25, the 3, and the 4, all store coupons were all attaching. So, we went to go check to see if that was so. Well, that was on the app, but not at the register. Okay, at the register, it was $11 like it was supposed to be. Alrighty. And getting the other 3 bags of chips raised it by 5. Alrighty. So, I decided to go ahead and do the chip deal and the tea deal to see where that would take me all total. And the 3 Lipton teas, 4 bags of Lay's potato chips turned out to be $16 without the tax. With tax, it was $16.82. Okay. Now, one of the comments was, that's not a good deal because at Walmart it's cheaper. Well, I just checked my Walmart. And at Walmart, yes, the chips are the same price. They are $2.50 a bag. So if you're at Walmart and you want to pick up some chips, they are $2.50 a bag if you only need one. So if you're doing just 1 bag of chips, then yeah, and you're at Walmart, you don't have to come all the way down to DG unless you want to do this deal. Now, this chip deal also works with the Mountain Dew products, so you know. Okay? Works with any of the Pepsi products, so you know. Now, on the Pepsi products, you're not going to get that many or that much off. You're going to get $2 off. If you do Mountain Dew products, then you're going to get $4 off and a $2 off. Yeah. So, that's the better deal. Now, with this, as I said, these are store coupons, and they should not be able to stack together. But they did. So, it glitched. So what I wanted to see, since they were glitching on doing just the 3 T's and 1 chip, if it would glitch if I did 4 chips and the 3 T's. Now the amount's not going to be where I need it to be to get my extra 5 off, but neither was the other. Okay? Now this is how our glitches on the older systems used to work when it came to this. As long as they hadn't totaled you out, you could put your number in and everything would come off. But it still did not, on the second transaction, attach the 5 off. It was in the app, not at the register. So that's why I was telling you and showing you in the app what it was saying, and then at the register what actually happened. Because if you're new and you don't know yet, just because the app says it doesn't make it so. But it's worth investigating. Just know that, okay? It is definitely worth investigating. So if you see the app telling you one thing, run to the store and investigate it. You can always tell them no, like I did 3 times yesterday before we decided to do this. Okay, now, as I said, this was our total and our savings at the Dollar General. At Walmart, each tea is $6.97, and your chips are 2 for $5, or $2.50 a bag. You're looking at $30.91 on the 3 things of tea and 4 bags of chip. $30.91. I paid $14.91. Excuse me. I paid $16. There's a difference of $14.91. So DG was still a better deal. Okay? So if you need these products, DG is a better deal. If you just need chips and don't want the tea, then you can get them anywhere. Or at least at Walmart and DG. Now, the next thing I've been asked for is food deals. I've been asked if I could make some food deals. And we can make several food deals, but your only thing that's going to come off on some of them will be your 5 off. But that's still a good savings if the price of the food is right. So we will have some of those, because if you've been shopping this week, you got a 5 off 25 again in paper form for during the week. Alrighty? And I mean, really, if you went and bought a scenario every day this week, just 5 days, you're saving $25 right there in your scenario. Not to mention, like I saved $22 yesterday, and none of that was the 5 off 25. So you could have massive savings this week on, well, just the sales as well as our coupons. Now, next question that was asked was, how do you get multiple accounts? Well, that one's super easy, guys. For those of you who are new to Dollar General, and there are a lot of you that are new to Dollar General, it tells you in the rules 1 account per household, or 1 account per person, something of that nature. Okay? Number 1, they don't know how many people are in your household. Number 2, you got more than 1 person in your household, you need more than 1 account. If you got a house full of kids, you need more than 1 account. Now, at no place in those rules do they tell you you can't shop for other people. Okay? That being said, you got kids in your household that have phones and email addresses. Set them up an account. Shop for them. Yes. Your grandmother. Set your grandma up an account. I'm sure she got a cell phone. Get her an email address. If you don't have one, set her up an account and go get her some free stuff. You know, just share the wealth. Family and friends is where you start. Okay? And where I used to work, a lot of people wanted the savings, but they just didn't want to take the time to go and do this. So they would be like, if I set up an account and give you my information, my phone number, you know, and you go get me that stuff, well, sure. And they lose interest real quick. And then you have, well, another account to draw on. Alright, guys. So that's how you get extra accounts. Now, me, at one time, I had up to 8 accounts. Now I'm just working with 3 because it is just really me and a few other family members. Before, like I said, I was shopping for a lot of different people. Just know, I mean, if you're using someone's information or set them up an account, give them a little something, something. If they're your neighbor, when you go to the store, if you got if you got 2 free chips because you bought 2, take them a bag of chips. They're going to love you for it. Especially if they're elderly, they're going to truly appreciate it. Let's see what we can find for you today for your daily deal. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you about this deal. And I went to Walmart.com and I did some price checks. So before I hear somebody say Walmart's got a better deal, like I said, I did the price checks. So here we go. 2 Clover Valley baked beans, 3 Kraft macaroni and cheese, 1 Kraft mayo for $5, or Hellmann's. They both have a $2 coupon. 3 of the Lipton teas, 1 chip, 4 General Mills cereals. You're looking at $37.95. And $16.50's coming off. And you have an out-of-pocket of $21.45, guys. Now, I think that is a winner chicken dinner. It is 14 items for $21.45. Now, let's look at Walmart's price points. Bush's beans. Now, you can get Bush on sale 2 for $4 if you want to do Bush's instead of Clover Valley beans in that scenario. They're $1.98 a piece. Kraft macaroni and cheese boxes are $1 a piece, the same price. The Bush's beans about the same price. The mayo, however, is much cheaper, but it doesn't have that $2 coupon. So we're paying about the same price with the coupon, $3.97 for the mayo. The Lipton teas, there's no freebies there. The chips are $2.50, but again, there's no $4 coupons either. We've got cereal. The General Mills is $3.68 a box, and there is a $1 Walmart cash back. All that together is $47.08. With $1 back is $46.08. $46.08. $37.95 with $16 in coupons and $21. So there's you a food deal, guys. One of them. Here's another one. The savings on this one isn't that much, but it is and can be 2 meals. Okay? You're going to pick up the Classico spaghetti sauce for $3. You get free Clover Valley noodles. You're going to pick up 3 Dr. Pepper for $14. You got a $2 off. You can do the Pepsi or Mountain Dew if you want to. You've got a $2 off. Now, if you do the Pepsi or Mountain Dew, Wonder Buns, they're $3.25. You got a 25-cent earn. And you can either pick up a 1-pound package of the rolled beef or the Clover Valley 100% beef patties. They're on sale for $8. Or the smash burgers, which are only 4. There's 6 burgers in the Clover Valley. There's 4 burgers in the smash burgers, which I think are $9. And in the 1-pound roll, you have 4 quarter-pounders. Okay? So, here we go. $28.25. You're only saving $7.25 as far as your coupons go. However, you're getting free the noodles and a 12-pack of Dr. Pepper. So right there's $12 that you're getting free on top of that. So right around $20 you're saving on this deal right here. So there's you a couple of food deals. And here is one more. Now this is definite chicken scratch, so I'm going to read it for you. I'm out the door to work, so I don't have time to rewrite it. 2 of the Quaker Chewy bars. They're on sale for $5.90. You got a $2 off. The Pillsbury cookie dough, $3.95, you got $1 off. Pillsbury toaster strudel, $4, you got $1 off. Kraft or Hellman's mayo for $5, you got a $2 off. And 2 tasty cake pecan swirls for $4.30. You've got a 45-cent earn. Okay? And 1 bag of Famous Amos cookies for $3.50. You are at $26.45. That gives you your 5 off 25. There's no store coupons in this. You're saving $12.45 on things that you can eat. 8 items for $14, guys. Now that is a definite winner chicken dinner. Alright, guys, here is your last one. And since we have the paper 5 off 25s and our other 5 off 25s, you can do these deals today and still save you the extra 5 off 25. You don't have to wait until Saturday. If you got 3 coupons, you can do it 3 times today, 3 different deals. Alright? Now this deal is different from any of the other deals that I showed you. So if you have a paper 5 off 25, you can do this deal in combination with some of the other deals. And this one has the 2 Klondike bars. You have a $2 off, and they're on sale 2 for $8. Edie's ice cream on sale for $3.95. We're going to use our $3 Nabisco coupon and get the Chips Ahoy Baked Bites for $3.95. They're like little blondies, it looks like. You got a $1.50 off coupon. You're going to pick up a family size Nabisco cookie. Doesn't matter what it is. I just have Chips Ahoy. If you like Oreos, get Oreos. Just need to be $5 or even $6. And if it's not $6, then you need to pick up a $1 Oreo pack or one of the $1 Nabisco items. Then you're going to pick up 6 Powerade because you got a coupon for $1 off of 5, and they're on sale 3 for $3. So we're going to pick up 6. But you are only at $27.90, and we have a $3 store coupon, so we need to be at $28. So we're going to add a piece of candy, and the cheapest candy is 35 cents, and that's going to be a fruit by the foot or something like that. If you want to do something more, go ahead. It is $28.25. We're where we need to be to get our extra 5 off. With $12 coming off of this transaction, we have $16.25 out of pocket for 11 items. And I think that's a winner chicken dinner, guys. So, if you have earns, use your earns on these and your fetch rewards. Okay, any of your food deals, always use your fetch rewards. If you don't have fetch, here's the information on fetch. It's a rebate app. Sign up, take pictures of your receipts, earn money, really quick work. It doesn't take very long to get enough money up to do something actually with. It's the best one out there that I know of and the easiest one to use. So just scan this QR code. It takes you right there for you to sign up. If you don't have fetch yet, you need just some fetch. So blessings, everybody. I'll talk to you again real soon, because we still got 2 more days till Saturday to make these deals.